Hey boys and girls, Miss Couch here. I'm here giving you the directions on what you should be accomplishing in this folder. So if you can take a quick look with me, you should be on week 3. This is 2 days. It is due on the 17th. Click that folder. Our first one is your discussion time. So your discussion question says, Raymond said it would take about 3 1-liter water bottles to fill up his sink. Do you agree or disagree with Raymond? Explain your thinking. So then I have attached as a picture of a 1-liter water bottle and a sink. So Raymond is saying that it'd take about 3 of these water bottles. Whoops. 3 of these water bottles. Excuse me. 3 of these water bottles to fill up this sink. Do you agree or disagree with Raymond? So I have also included your sentence starters. I agree or I disagree with, why, and how you know that, and how you solved this. Again, attached is your math rubric to refer back to of how to respond to these discussions. Remember, you have to comment first before you can see your peers writing here as well. So step 1, our discussion time. Then we have going back to the folder. Here we have step 2, watch a video. This is your instructions. We are again going over our liquid capacity, just a review and how you can compare those two and add or subtract more in your word problems. Then step 3, I have your another way. So again, this will take you into Pearson. If you cannot get into it, go ahead and at the very bottom it will have a login. Put your Manatee County, part of Manatee County, and it should get you in right away. Hopefully you should only have to do this once, but it will take you through another way. Remember, not going back this way, but going back to week 3, this folder right here. Then again, you have your anchor chart available for you in step 4. Step 5, they're going to show you, this is your independent work, so numbers 1 through 13 should be completed. And then step 6 is inputting those answers, and just for a review, remember, these might be those numbers 1 through 5 over here, but on that independent work, you have your number, this will be number 11 on that independent work, number 13, number 8, number 10, and number 12, and then you will be done for that week's work. So remember, that's due April 17th. If you have any questions or if you need any extra assistance, please feel free to reach out to myself or your other teachers here to help you.